The stock market is showing some signs of resilience. We have Dan Deming at KKM Financial standing by. Dan, what are your keys to the market this week?
Yeah, Angie, well, you have to say last week was a pretty impressive week, all things considered, given the fact that we did see a significant shift in sentiment and the market's ability to maintain some upward price action for most of the week. So that's something that we're watching closely this week as far as the supporting mechanisms in the market, some of the measures as far as longer term potential for this market when you look at advanced decline lines and things of that nature. So that's first, momentum and internals. Second of all, will be earnings front and center this week with the big names reporting in the middle of the week. And the final thing will be, again, the continued tariff discussions and trade tensions that have softened somewhat last week. We'll see if that's a theme once again this week and enough to support the current price action in the market.
What can you tell us about buyers and sellers in the market? Are the sellers getting tired? And if so, is the stock market hitting a bottom?
Well, I think there's still going to be some bumpiness in this market over the next couple of weeks, Angie, and possibly even through a month. Now, we do have the Fed in the quiet period right now. Their announcement will come in a week and a half, but expectations are they're not going to cut this time. But we'll get further insight as far as how the Fed's going to manage this moving forward. But when you look at last week, the one thing I want to point out, it's been talked about quite a bit, was the shift in advanced declines, or what they call a measurement called the Zweig breadth thrush, which is an indication of significant buying pressure in these names that have been sold off. And historically, when you reach that point where you see the breadth rush get above 60, a 0.60, I believe, that's historically been a bottom in the market from an extended period of time. So it does appear that, we're seeing metrics now in the market of some potential bottoming. Are we there yet? Yet to be determined. But 6 to 12 months down the road from when you have these metrics in the market has historically been higher.
Much happening. Thank you, Dan. Have a great week.
Thank you. Thanks for having me, Angie.